Hello viewers, welcome back to our training on Microsoft Word. Today we are going to be teaching us everything about Microsoft Word. That's the advanced level of Microsoft Word. We'll also be teaching us how to design using Microsoft Word. So just follow this video gradually and pay attention as we lead you through and teach you how to use Microsoft Word. So we're going to open let me open my Microsoft Word now. So today, we're going to if you go to Microsoft Word, if you look at the top, we have what we call our file command, like our command, mini command, which is we have our home, we have our insert, we have our page layout, we have our reference, we have our mailings, we have our review, we have our view. So today I'm going to show us everything about this Microsoft Word and how we're going to use it. So let's start by showing us our commands. Like if I want to remove or add command to my Microsoft Word, I just come to this, just follow this mouse. I just come here, right click. Then I click on minimize the ribbon. If I minimize the ribbon, you see that this thing has come out. If I click on minimize, it will come out. But if I just click here to go out, if I want it to be stayed there, just also come back here, right click, and now untick this minimize the ribbon. Have you seen it? So let's say now, if you look at this my line, maybe you want to measure. You're working in Microsoft Word. You want to measure your page. You want to know how your line is counting, whether it's counting in inches or in centimeter. So just come here, just follow my mouse, just come here, go to more commands, go to advanced, then scroll down. Look at our ruler in this Microsoft Word is in inches. So I can change it to centimeter, millimeter, point, or pixels if I want. Anyone I want to change it to. But let me just leave it in inches. I can just click on inches. Look at my line here is in inches. Look at follow this. Just observe this mouse. Here is in inches. It's counting in inches, not in centimeter. So now, if you look at the top, that place I clicked, that small triangular bar I clicked, that brought out that advanced button. If you see that here we have a shortcut of paste, redo, undo. So if I want to add my own, I just come here, add anyone that I want. So that if I click on anyone, it will come out, it will appear here. So okay, let's start by showing us how to use these things. So okay, now let me just type something. My name is ELT-TECH. My name is Ukuri Nanakalo. My name is Ukuri Nanakalo. I'm the founder of ELT-TECH Computers. So I want to copy these things I've written now. Like previously on our previous videos, I showed you how to do this thing with shortcut. But now I don't want to do it with shortcut. I want to do it using this command on my menu bars. If I highlight on this thing now, just follow my mouse. I can just come here, click on copy. If I want to copy this now, I'll come here and click on copy. I've copied it. If I want to paste it, I'll still go back to my menu bar and click on paste. Look at the option for paste. I'll come back here and click on paste. Have you seen it? If I want to cut these things, I can still highlight it. Go back to my bar, click on cut, I can still come here and click on paste and paste it. You see all those shortcuts are embedded in this menu bar. I want to show you not everything, but I just pick the important ones. I just teach us, I just show us how to use the important ones. Then now, maybe I want to change the front of my I want to change the front of my letter. I can just highlight this letter, click here, and I just change it to any font I want. Are you seeing it? I can change this into any font I want. Let's go down. Let me use this. Let me use I can change to any font I want. Are you seeing it? And if I want to increase the size of my text, I can just come here, increase the size of my text if I want. Are you using it? I've increased the size of my text. So if I want to bold my text, I can still come here, click on bold. If I want to unbold it, I can still click it again, it will unbold. I can still put it in italics. I can still underline it. I using it. So all those things I showed you in shortcut, they are all in the menu bar. So but the shortcut I showed us was the easiest way to do it. But this one you can still do it using your menu bar. Then like okay, let me just change this thing to I want to type something that is let me think a moment. Okay, like most of all that are in Nigeria, you know that Nigerian currency has a double strike through. Or okay, Nigerian currency has a double strike through. And I just write and highlight this thing and click here to select this thing. If I want to double select it, I just click on Ctrl D. Then I come and click on double. It might be double instead of one. I'm using it, but I can still do one here. I'm using it. If I want to still remove it, I can still click on Ctrl D. Come here and I'm using it. Or I can still come here, click it again. I'm using it. I've removed it. I want to remove this underline. Click on here and remove my underline. Then I want to show you something now. I want to write 24 close to power 65, sorry. If I want to do that, I just highlight this 65, still come to this menu bar, click on this superscript. Are you seeing it? If I want to make it 24 base, 23 base 65, I can still come here and click on base, it will come down. All the things I showed us, they are also in this menu bar. They are also in this menu bar. Then maybe now I want to change my case. I can still highlight this. I want to change this case. Instead of like I showed us in the previous video, the shortcut for doing this thing is Ctrl1, Ctrl like you can use. Just go and watch the previous video. You see the shortcut again, but this now you just the long process or the manual process or the unique process of doing it. And if I want to change this, I can just click here, click on uppercase. Everything now will not be capitalized. I can click on centralize each case. I will see it. So anyone I want, I can choose anyone I want. Anyone I want. So I want to increase the size of this, and I can just click here to increase it. I will see it. Instead of coming here to select, I can just be clicking here. It will just be resumed by itself. I can still click here to bring it back. So if I click on this clear formatting, every format I did will go out. It just be as my work will just go back as it was when I opened the Microsoft Word. I click on this clear formatting, look at it. Everything, all the formatting I did will just go out. My work will still be as my work will still come back as it was. That's the normal this thing that when you open Microsoft Word, the way it opens, it will still go back like that. So now you are progressing. I want to color this. I want to color the background of my text. I cannot click on here to color the background of my text. If I want to choose more color, I can still come here. I can still put on no color. I want to remove the color. I can still choose any color I want. I'm using this color is for text, but it's for the background of the text, not to color the text itself. Not to color the text itself. If you want to color the text itself, I will just come here. It's not sure because the background is so let me remove this thing so you can see it very well. No color. Let me color the text. I'm using it. I've colored the text. I've colored the text. If you want to color my text, I can still come here. If you want to choose maybe the color I want to know, I can still go to more colors, then choose the color I want and color the text. Then I showed us something about Control E, Control R, Control J. All those centralize, justify, all of you can do it here. Centralized, right? All those ones you can just do it here. So everything is here. You can just do everything here. This is the normal process of doing it. So if you want to still use that one, you can still use it. Then I want to, if you know about bullet and numbering, I want to number my text. And just highlight this text. Come to this place, click on bullet. Have you seen it? I can choose any one that I want. Have you seen it? I can just choose numbers if I want. I can choose any one that I want. So all this, everything, look at it here. Everything. So from these three lines, they are called bullet and numbering. So any format you want to use on your text, you can just come here and click on the format you want to use on your text. On the format you want to use on your text. Look at, if I click here now, it will reduce the size of this thing, but if I click here, it will increase it. Are you seeing it? This one jumps. Like, all these things do is that it shifts the indent. This one is shifting indent. That's decrease indent. That's control Q. I think control Q and control T. I'll show you all these things. So you can look at it. I can shift my text from here. I can still bring it back. I can paragraph my text from here. I can still bring it back. So this one is, maybe I want to sort my text alphabetically. Let me just write something like, okay, my name is, okay, the form. I'm just adding something. Well, yes, I'm not adding something so that I want to just show something. 2 TWO and 1. Now I want to sort this. I want to sort my text. I just highlight this text. Come here. If I sort on ascending, look at it. I sorted myself on my text on ascending. That's I using it after M O T. I using it. So the thing I've arranged. So if I want to do it in descending, I can still come back there. Click on what descending. That was, I will arrange my text alphabetically. That I will sort my text alphabetically. Hope you are getting this thing. This course is very, very simple and it's sweet. If you understand, you can use Microsoft Word very well. I use Microsoft Word very, very well. Then for this one now, if I click on this thing will show us where our text stops. Like if I click here, whenever you paragraph your text, this one is a paragraph symbol. But if you are printing your word, this paragraph symbol will not appear. That's this paragraph symbol now will not appear. If you are printing your work, it will not appear this paragraph symbol. But this one will just guide us. It's a guide to show us when we paragraph our work. Just a guide to show us when we paragraph our work. Then this one is our line spacing. This one is our line spacing. I want to space my text. You can just come here. I've shown all this one. Just control 1, control 5 on all of you, which we have shown in our previous video. So this one is line spacing. This one is our line spacing. And this one is something as this. Sorry, this one is to paragraph the whole. That's the header you've typed. To paragraph the document. That's the one I typed. The more is adding color to it. But this one will just color the text. Only the text itself. But this one will just color the space to type your work. That's the function of. That's the difference between this and this. So this one is if you want to add border. want to add border to your test. I want to add border to your test. You can just come here and add border to your test. I'm using it. But adding border, that's adding line, adding border to our test. That's what this one does. If I click on normal, if I click on and click on normal, my test will go back as it was before. If I click here, no line spacing. So all this one is just a sample. Maybe you want to just click on. You want to choose a sample from here. There are many samples. You want to choose a sample that your test will have. Just click here to choose a sample that your test you want the test to have. That's here. Then this makes your Control F, Control H, and all have view. Then I'll come to this select after. But not now. So we are done with home. Let's go to insert. Okay, now we are on insert. Let me clean this thing. Sorry. We are on insert. This cover page now. It's a cover page sample. Maybe you want to choose a sample from this place. You can choose a cover page sample from here. You want to do a cover page to your work, and just click on this one is a sample of a cover page sample. Instead of pressing yourself to create a cover page, just come here and click on cover page. Just bring a sample for you. So your work now will not be just to edit the sample. Your work will just be to edit the sample. Then blank page. It will be creating extra pages, blank pages. So they'll be breaking the page. Then I'll show us how to use table. I'll show us how to use table. Then this place is a picture. I want to import picture to my Microsoft Word. I want to import picture to my Word. I'll just come here, click on picture. I want to import picture from my desktop. Let me see what I have pictures here. Let me see. Okay, I have picture. I'll just click here, insert. I've insert a picture that is in my desktop to the Microsoft Word itself. That's the function of this insert. And if you insert a picture, it will not bring out the format this thing for you. That's this formatting. If you want to format your picture, want to add brightness, if you want to do anything to your picture, just bring out this format to this picture tool for you. So maybe I don't want to go to that picture insert. I just come here. I want to do it simple. I just come here, copy the picture I want. I want to copy this picture. Copy. I come to Microsoft Word and do what? And paste it to my Microsoft Word. Have you seen it? I just paste this picture to my Microsoft Word. So that's how. Then this one here is to clip art. You want to guys, this clip art is that's their art that's already embedded in your system already. If you want to search for computer, just come here, search. Let me just search computer. Go. Have you seen it? So this clip art is already in your system. I want to search from here. Instead of going to the internet, I just use the clip art that is already in my system. That's the function of this clip art. Then for shape, we'll go to shape later, but not now. Come to shape. Then this one is you want to create a bar chart. Want to create a simple chart. Here is for bar chart. You want to create a chart. You want to create. Let me just go to pie chart. Let me just insert one. So I will just click it. Have you seen it? Then this thing works with Microsoft Word. It works with Microsoft Excel. Look at this, and I can just change anything I want here. I can change this figure to 9.4. 9.4. I can still come here and add. I can still drag this thing down if I want extra this thing to appear. I can just add ELT-TECH 4.3.2. Let's check. Have you seen it? I've added ELT-TECH to this one. So this one works with Excel. And once you click on you want to import chart to your Microsoft Word. This is how to do it. If you come to this insert, click on chart, but now it's just so that when I opened this thing, it was category 1, category 2, category 3, but I've added ELT-TECH. So I can just decide to change to this category 1. I'll just go back to Excel. Let me learn this one computer. Let me learn this one video. Let's see whether it will work. Look at it, computer. Have you seen it? Or computer and video. Have you seen it? So if you can do, then after, if you import this chart, you see something will come out. If you want to design your chart, all these formats, all these things will pop out. You just click on that chart. This one is for hyperlinks. I've shown us how to use hyperlink using Ctrl K. So then header and footer. If you want to add header to your Word, I want to add header to my Microsoft Word document. I just come to this place, click on header. This is my header. Let me just type. Let me edit the header. ELT-TECH tutorials. ELT-TECH video tutorial. Have you seen this? Close header. So if I open the next page now, I don't need to start typing this in again. Look at my header. My header has what appeared. I've added header to this thing. Have you seen it? I've added header to my Word. I can say maybe if I want to. If I still want to add footer, I just click on here, click on footer. I can still add my footer. Close footer. I've added my footer. If I want to do it for all the pages or all my pages, or just maybe if I have up to 10,000 pages, I just highlight all of them and before I start doing it, so that it will appear on all my pages. That's how it works. Then for page numbering, I want to number my page. Okay, these are page number. Look at it. This is how to number our page. This one is for page number. Let's check. Look at it, number 1, number 2, number 3, and number 4. This one is our page numbering. Let's continue. Then I want to add text box. Text box, I just click here. This one is a sample text box, or I can just use shape. Just go to insert, click on shape. I'll show you this shape. Click on shape. Right. Shape. This one, just click add text. I put my own text box. I have the text I want here. The next thing I want in this text box. That's it for text box. Let's continue. So, we use this word to import words. If I want to create a word, click on what I want to type. ELT-TECH. ELT-TECH. I'll just come here, change it to times. Let me just change it to font. Okay. Text wrapping in front of text. I'll just show you this thing very well how to do, but I'm not showing us the sample. I'll just color it from here. Change this thing from here. Just change anything I want from here. So this one is for what that. Now after doing all this now, I'll just show us how to use it to design a document. Don't worry, just hold on, just follow us gradually. We are coming. I've shown us how to use equation and symbols on our previous videos. Then this one is margin. I want to create margin, custom margin. Then I want to set how document my page is going to look like. I just set 0.5, that 0.5, 0.5, 0.5. Format for typing is A4. The paper I want to use and print is A4. I click on A4. You see a different now. Look at, do you see? Before our test didn't start from here. It didn't start from here. It started from somewhere here because this thing was one. But now I've adjusted it to the A stream. Like I now have enough document area to type my word. I have enough document area to type my word. This landscape means I want to change my paper type from portraits to landscape. It will not be straight line. It will not be from vertical to horizontal form. Let me just show you an example. Landscape. Let me just show you a print preview. Because it not be in landscape. It not be portrait again. Let's continue. We are now in page layout. Then this column now, I want to create. Okay, maybe I want to create. Let me also this thing to landscape now. I now click on. I want to add these things. I want my column to be 3. Let's take everything. I've created 3 columns. My text is now in 3 columns. I want to use this. You can just play around with it. You will learn more. When you practice on your own, you learn more. That is it. Are you seeing it? Then this size is a paper size. What size you want to use? Line number, those ones. Then watermark. I want to add watermark to my text. Let me just show you how to add watermark. Watermark is a text behind your text. Let me just show you something. I want to add watermark to my text. Let's click on custom watermark. You can use image as a watermark. You can use image or you can use text. If I want, I can use picture as my watermark. Let me just use picture as my watermark. Let me select picture. Insert. Apply. Are you seeing it? Look at my watermark now. Look at, you see a picture behind this text. That's what we call watermark. I've added picture behind the text. That's how to add watermark. I can still use text as my watermark. Click on text. Let me use ELT-TECH as a watermark. ELT-TECH. The font I want to use. Let me just use this font. Let me use my size as color. Horizontal. Apply. Close. Because you see a text behind. You see a text behind this thing. That's watermark. If I highlight it there, so let me just redo it again. Also watermark. Sorry, I didn't remove this washout. I'm supposed to remove this washout. Have you seen it? Look at the text as I appear. Look at my watermark. Have you seen it? I can still make it to be vertical. Any place I want my watermark to be. So that one is your watermark. Page color. I can still add color to my page if I want. Page border. I can still add border to my pages. Let me just show how to add. Let me just show this one. If I want to add border to my page. I still come here, page border. Let me just show you this particular one. These are many. How many borders? But let me show you this one. I want to use one as my border. You have noticed? Let us click on OK. Look at. Are you seeing it? I've added this now as border to my page. This I've added border to my page. So this thing is very very interesting. Let me really need this one, right? Review all these ones, spelling grammars. Let me show you something here. Just click here, spelling grammars. Just click on ignore, ignore all, ignore, ignore, ignore. Have you seen it? All those lines will go out. That's the fact of these ones here. Review. There's this place I want to remove my. If I want to remove my ruler, I click here, my ruler will go out. I click here, my ruler will be added. If I want to zoom this page, I want to zoom this page, I don't zoom this page. Look at. Have you seen it? That is the function. That is for this place. And those 100%. I don't zoom it. That is the function of this thing. So now, I want to just give us a little practical. Let me give us a little practical on how to let me just use this to design something for us. Let me change that page to landscape. Just a video that I'm not sorry. I'm not go ahead and practice. Go ahead and practice. Just pay attention. This is shape. I want to design something with this thing. Let me add color to this way. Let's come here. Color. Which color do I want to use? I just use green. I just let me just see. Click on more color field. Custom. Let's select one color. Select one color. I can see there are many colors. Any color you want to, I can see use this one. Look at. I can see this pattern. There are many color options for you here. There are many color. I can see use this textures as my color page. Have you seen it? There are many color options for you to choose here. But let me just choose this one. Let me just choose this one. Then if you look at this thing carefully, you see that there is a line, there is a black line showing at the end of this one. I want to clean the black line. Just come here, go to shape layout. I just click on no outline. But if I want to make my shape to be obvious, I just come here, click on increase the line of my shape, increase the line of my shape. I just add the color. Let me just add shape color. Let me just add color to my shape. Just add red like this. Let us do it. So now I want to add an image to this place. I just copy one image and add to this place. Let me copy this my image from my system. Copy. Let me paste this image. You notice that this image is behind this system. It is behind this thing I drew. But I want to bring the image to the front. I just click on this image. Come to this format. Then click on text wrapping in front of text. Have you seen it? Wow. It's in front of text. Then there's another thing appearing here. I want this white background to go out. I want to this thing is not jail, it's not okay. It's not like it's not moving my eyes. I want to create a good this thing. So I want to show us another things. I want to show us an interesting things we're going to. Let me show us an interesting things. But this one requires going to the internet. Let us connect my system to the internet. I will just show us something we need to know. If I want to remove this white background from this image, I just come to my browser. Let me open my browser. Hold on, and it's opening. Okay. I just click on okay, let me just there's one app called background remover. Let me just search for background remover. Background remover, look at it here. Background remover. This background remover. I want to remove that white. I just click on upload. Let me just upload the image I want to remove. Look at the image there. Upload. Open. Okay, it has removed the background. It has removed the background. I will click on download image. My image has been downloaded. Let me go to my download page and copy the image. You see. Where is the image? Look at the image here. I'll put it in the function. I just copy the image now. Let me copy the image. Go back to my Microsoft Word. I'll delete this one because I don't need this one again. I'll just paste the image. Let me paste the image. Paste. Now you know our normal listing format text wrapping in front of text. Wow. Are you seeing it? Look at this thing. The background has been removed. Is this not wonderful? The background has been what? Removed. Have you seen it? I've removed the word background. Then I want to let's continue. I want to add that. I want to come to word that click on. What do I want to add? Let me just say ELT-TECH computers. ELT-TECH computers. ELT-TECH computers. Okay. Let me select it. Format. Text wrapping in front of text. I just straighten this thing so that it will be okay. Have you seen it? I want to remove that. I just come here, shape, no outline. Have you seen that? It's just the ELT-TECH computer. There will be no outline attached to it. Then I want to I can see, instead of going to my word to go and start doing another thing, I can just come here, select these other computers, click on Control D. Control D is to double. Click on Control D. Then go to format, edit. I don't want to use this thing again. I want to just change the color. I want to use, let me just change this font size to Times New Roman. Times New Roman. Let me reduce the font size to 18. Let me just use. Okay, wow. But I want this thing to be I want it to be bold. I just come here, bold it. Okay, this is it. And I want to place it. I want to place it inside a container. Just come here, click on shape. This is my shape. Let me just color this shape red. Just use red. No shape outline. If I copy this thing here now, if I copy this ELT-TECH to that shape, you see that this small ELT-TECH computer will disappear. Look at it. Let's see the tricks. Have you seen it? It can disappear, which means why is it so? Because I brought this image like this images before this one. For it to appear in the front, I just click on a shortcut. Ctrl X is to cut, Ctrl V is to paste. Have you seen it? It will now come to the front. Have you seen it? ELT-TECH. Let me just change this thing to ELT Computer's video tutorial. Let me just go to sorry. I'll click on this ELT-TECH before I'll do this thing. Format, edit, change it to video tutorial. Have you seen it? So this is very simple. It's very simple for us. Now let's continue. I want to see. Let me just add another shape here also. You can go ahead and practice and do your own. You can just go ahead and practice your own. Let us remove this shape. No outline. I want to color this shape. Let me color it to. Let me just use this color. Let's use this color. Let me just use a. Let me just use this. Let me just color. So yeah, let me shape fill. Let me just use this color. This color is okay. I just want something that will be dim. Let me just use this. This one will be okay. No? Okay, let's use this one. Before, if I want to just shift this thing a little bit, I just hold on control and shift it so that it will go far. Control and now click on my shift arrow. Okay. Let me just what am I going to type here? Let me just say okay. Let's see. ELT-TECH computer. ELT-TECH computers. ELT-TECH computers is a web and app development center. Let me capitalize each case. Okay, let me leave this. Just click on OK. I want this thing to be dark. Let me blue it. Wow. Look at it. Have you seen it? You're progressing. How do you see my design? You can do many more with this thing, but I also just want to show us a tip of an iceberg. Let's start progressing. Let us use another shape to show us something. I just use this shape. Let me draw something here. Draw anything here. I want to do something with this thing. Shape fill. Okay. Then I can come here and write the year this video was produced. That's right. 2022. 2022. The simple tricks we all need to know. The simple tricks. Control D. Oh, sorry. I clicked on this thing. Control D. Let me just take something now. Let me just say Let's see. Go to our YouTube channel and subscribe. Go to our YouTube channel and subscribe. And subscribe. Let me just change this. Let me just change this font size to something like. Let me just do something like. Which one is this? Okay, let me just do something like this. Okay, let's see. Now, let me just add color to this one. Let me just add yellow color. You know, like this yellow color is not obvious. For me to make it to be obvious, I just add shape to it. Add my shape. So this shape is too much. Just add my shape to it. Have you seen it? That is you're progressing. Aren't you progressing? You're progressing. Progressing. So now just let me just go back here. Click on our edit. Just write subscription is free. Subscription. Subscription is free. Subscription is free. Okay, let us use something like let us say let me use something like this color. Let me use let me I want this one to be very bold. Let me just use shape on let me just use white colors in my distinction. I want it to be very very bold. So let me just use let us show something with let us use text and show something. No outline. Let us add text here. Just add text. When you go to our YouTube channel, when you watch our video, it will teach you all you need to know. All you need to know about a particular subject. Then if you see, I've pressed this thing twice, but it's going down, which means I'll just come here and click on. Let me just come here, click on no line spacing. Because I don't want, because the spacing there is too much. That's why it's shifting. Let me talk about this thing. Because so let me just bring this thing closer. Let me color. Let me just go this test. I just want to show something. Everything. If I hold it now, it will still go down, which means the space I have is too small for this thing. So we are not designing now. If I shift anything from inside this my work will scatter. Like if I shift anything from inside, everything I've done now will just scatter. Will just rearrange. if I want to just arrange this thing, I want to arrange this thing to be, I want to just like gum it together. I'll come to this select, click on this select, click on select object, then come here, select everything together. Then I'll come to this format and click, go to group. I'll now click on group. I'll group all these things together. This, if I move it now, it just go everything I've just glued together. I'll just come here and click on group. If I click on group, everything will just group. Everything group here. You see that one, that other one went to the back. Do you know why? Because is a PNG file. We can just come here front test wrapping in front of test. I can just click Ctrl S, Ctrl V. I will see he's now back, but he's not going to group because it's a PNG file. And then if I want to convert this my design to image, in your system you have what we call sniping tool. Just on your system, just search for a sniping tool. Sorry, just search for a sniping tool. Search for a sniping tool. I'll just open my sniping tool. Is opening, just hold on. Okay, it has opened. Just click on new. Okay, let's just snipe this image. Look at it. Bam. It asks us to save. Yes, I want to save. Save. Let me change the email to. Let me just change the email to images, image, my desktop. Let me just click on save. I've saved this image. Let me check the image I saved. Where's the image? Okay, let me just say the image. Look at it. Look at my image. Let me just preview it. While I'm missing it, I've converted my Microsoft design to image. I'm missing it. So this is, there are many more you can do with Microsoft Word. Just keep on practicing, but this is the at least the fundamental. This is all you need to know. So if you just know these things, you can just advance more. So I'm missing it. I've just used Microsoft Word to design something that is very, very sweet and interesting. So you can just go ahead, play with this Microsoft Word. You can still learn more things from this thing, and still subscribe. So like our next video will show us how to use, will show us everything about Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Publisher, everything about Microsoft Word, everything about Microsoft. So just even when a time will come when we still start teaching us web designing. So just watch this video. When you watch this video, don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching.